How to check your own notifications. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on bell-like option at the top right, which is beside three lines. Then scroll down in here. Click on see previous notifications at the bottom. Then you find all your old Facebook notifications in here. If you scroll down, you will simply find older notifications as you scroll down. You can also find notifications if you click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down. Click on settings and privacy at the bottom. Then click on settings. In settings, scroll down. Scroll down till you find activity log and then click on activity log. Then click on activity history at the top. After you've clicked on activity history at the top, you will also find all your Facebook notifications in here. This is how to check for all Facebook notifications. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you.